Good morning dear students. Today we are going to start with elimination reaction. What is the meaning of elimination reaction? The reaction in which there is a elimination of one molecule or group of molecules. Suppose we are having this example, and the reagent for this is alcoholic KOH, which act as strong base. Now with respect to this is a alpha and this is a beta carbon atom. This base will remove H or abstract H from this beta position, and there is a double bond between this alpha and beta by the elimination of this. Suppose I am writing this OH will abstract proton here, this bond will go here and we are removed from here. There is a formation of alkene takes place. Now if we are having a 2 beta position, if there are a 2 beta position available, then there is a possibility of 2 product formation or 2 alkene formation, but the major product is according to the Sergeff rule. Suppose this is a alpha and we call this is a beta 1, this is a beta 2. Now there is a 2 chance of formation of product. This is a beta 1 and this is a beta 2. Suppose if we abstract H from here, then there is a double bond between these 2 carbon and product is CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3, and if abstraction of proton from beta 2, then there is now suppose we are having a 2 product, which one is major and which one is minor. This is decided by Sergeff rule. What the Sergeff rule say? The alkene which is a more alkylated is the major product in this reaction. Suppose this is alkene and this is a 2 alkyl group attached with this. So number of alpha H, the number of carbon atom attached with this alkene is a alpha carbon, and the hydrogens are alpha hydrogen. So here is a total 6 alpha hydrogen available. Here this is a alpha carbon, only 2 alpha hydrogens are available. So more the number of alpha hydrogen, more will be the stability of that product. So this is a major product and this is a minor product. Suppose we are having another example. And there is an elimination with alcoholic KOH. Then there is also a possibility of formation of 2 product. One is this and another one is now which one is major and minor? This is alkene, and with this is alpha, this is alpha and this is alpha carbon. So total number of alpha hydrogens are 7. In this case this is alkene and these are alpha hydrogen. So total number of alpha hydrogens are only 4. So that's why this is a major product, this is a minor product. This reaction is also known as dehydrohalogenation reaction, because there is a elimination of hydrogen as well as halogen takes place. Okay, this is a complete lecture or complete topic of elimination reaction. Thank you.